Uh, Hi all. Once again, I'm back with you people on QA. As you know, I have released two audios of mine, and today it's one of the important things I would like to share with you people on. Especially, it is concentrating on interview point of view. Okay, interview point of view in the sense, see, you can see the market. There is a huge competitions in the market, and if any one position is there, like huge people are applying for QA, and there is a good technique which I would like to help you out how to get clear the interview in the technical panel and what they are expecting from you. Okay, if I wanted to take an interview, understand my expectations first. Okay, so what I'm expecting from you and what are the questions I'm going to ask. See, I will ask questions with respect to QA according to my requirements. Okay, what requirements I have. So how you should analyze first before calling you for an interview. First, I will go through your profile, the contents of profile. If the contents of profile is perfect enough for me, I will call you for a technical discussion. Let me check with this guy how best he can he can give me an answer, and where if I take him also, how best he can work individually without my help. That is my expectation. So, for example, if I go through your profile and if I start asking you the question, I will start from the basic. Okay. So I wanted to understand you. I wanted to make sure that I wanted to understand your experience. I wanted to understand your challenges in the QA. What are the challenges you might have faced, and how you came up from that particular challenges in QA. What is your organization? What is your team structure in the QA? And what is your role? What role you have played inside the QA team? Okay, what is your responsibility? So those things I would like to identify, and then I will start up from that. For example, if I wanted to take one interview for one resources. So first I would like to ask him, like, can you tell me about your experience? What kind of experience you have? Okay, so I wanted to know your clear experience, like how you done the projects. Okay, so once he completed his experience and his responsibility, for example, I will tell you, I have a 4 years of experience, like how best I can present myself. Okay, yeah, I'm a guru. Basically, I'm an engineering graduate, and I have been graduated in 2016. After my graduation, I got a very good breakup to work in a small startup company where I was an individual contributor, where I used to take the responsibility of the team. Okay. Then, okay, so which project you have involved? You are involved in which project? Okay. Then he need to explain the clear cut about his project. What is his rule? What work he has done? Which type of SDLC he has followed up? Okay. Which methodology he has used? Is he used waterfall model? He used agile methodology to work on the QA? So I'm expecting such kind of things. Like for example, I have worked in one project. What is my rule? My rule is simple because I have a less experience. I will tell them, like, I have gone through the system study, I understood the system, then I did the analysis part. After analyzing the requirements, I started designing the scenario with a very good templates which we have followed up. Once I have done with that, it will go for a review. Means to make sure that my scenarios are mapping with the requirements. After reviews, I may get the review comments. I will close out the review comments if these review comments are really valid. So once my scenario is done, parallelly I would like to prepare the requirement traceability matrix, where I wanted to map the requirement with the scenario. Then once it is done, I would like to go through the design case, test design case. Let me design the test cases by referring your requirements as well as your scenario. Then once I am done with the test case design, it will go for a review. We call it as peer-to-peer review, where my colleague will review my test cases. So once I got the review comments, I will make sure that it will get closed as soon as possible. Once I am done with that, definitely I will wait for the build. Let me get the build with the release notes. I will get the release notes from the development team through my test lead or through my test manager. Once I get the release notes, I would like to understand what is my build, what are the login credentials, how I would like to proceed with the testing. So first I would like to do the smoke testing. Let me check whether this build is eligible to go further or not. So if smoke testing itself got failed, I would like to request for the new build because build is not proper. Once I passed out the smoke testing, then I would like to start executing the functional test cases. During my execution of functional test cases, I may come across a lot of defects. So I would like to follow the defect life cycle. Once I'm done with the defect life cycle, by end of the day, I'm sending the daily status report, like how many test cases I have executed, how many got passed, how many got failed. Okay. So what are the defects I have raised in the tool? What is the defect ID? What is the severity and priority of that particular defect? Every day I used to send the daily status report. So once I'm done with the first iteration, in the second iteration, I will get another release notes with the fixed status of defect. So like this, how you worked, how you involved in the project, you need to explain them very clearly. Okay, so that they should feel more confident on you. Okay. So these are the tips which I wanted to give you guys on my every videos. Okay, every my recordings, like how to do the retesting, how to do the regression testing, why we wanted to do that. Okay, if production issue comes up, what we will do, how we will do the root cause analysis. Okay, so this much information I would like to give you first in this video. Wait for my second video. Definitely you will get all the interview questions with a real scenario, with the real examples, with a real facing an interview. Definitely 200% it will help you. Don't worry. In next video, I will release another form, like in-depth of interview, in-depth of one-to-one discussion, where it will help. Okay. Once again, I'm very thankful to you people for watching my video, and wait for my next video. Definitely, I would like to help you out with a lot of real-time interview questions with a good answers, like practical answers, where you may not find it in anywhere. Okay. So thank you. Thanks a lot for watching my video once again. And I'm really very thankful to you people where you have patience and you watching. Thank you. Thank you very much. See you once again.